God for giving me this opportunity to serve in the August House. I stand here now to give my maiden speech because I've never spoken since I was sworn in. In fact, Mr. Speaker, sir, I've been inserting my card since I was sworn in, and unfortunately, I've never caught the Speaker's eye. All the same, I want to thank you for giving me this opportunity, and I thank the people of Narok for giving me the opportunity to serve in this House. Mr. Speaker, sir, I know being here is not an easy thing, and the members will agree with us that we've been here. To be here, it takes the hand of God. We went round looking for votes, and at the end of the day, the Lord gave us the opportunity to be here. I thank God because I was here one time as a staffer. I've worked in Parliament, in the Research Department, I've worked in the Human Resource Department, and therefore being here to me is an opportunity that I cannot take it for granted. Mr. Speaker, sir, I know the master is there, and the people of Narok County are looking and waiting upon me to give them service. And I promise them that I'll be here to serve them since they gave me the opportunity to be here. Mr. Speaker, sir, there are so many youths out there who are not employed. Many teachers who are trained and they have never gotten the opportunity to be employed. And being in the Education Committee, Mr. Speaker, sir, I know I'll be the voice of those many youths who are trained as teachers and have never gotten the opportunity. There are many teachers there who are so frustrated, especially with the issue of delocalization. In fact, Narok County is mostly hit by delocalization. And this issue, Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the member who brought this, the motion or the bill in the House so that we can amend this policy whereby teachers are delocalized. Because in Narok County, Mr. Speaker, sir, the teachers who are employed are not equivalent to the ones who are delocalized. You find the teachers who are posted to Narok County, Mr. Speaker, sir, are not equivalent to the ones who are employed. And this one, to us as people's employees, because we've been employed by the people, we are going to fight this to ensure that we get the right number of teachers equivalent to the ones who are posted out of the county. Mr. Speaker, sir, I know there are many issues, problems that are facing the people of Narok, like infrastructure, the roads, and people like me are victims. I know Honorable Pareyo will agree with me that coming from Narok North is the worst hit place. When it rains, we cannot even go to our homes. And for over 50 years, since independence, Mr. Speaker, sir, Narok has no roads. It is a big challenge, which I know, especially having my honorable member, Pareyo, who is the constituency MP, we are going to address this issue. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to also talk on the girls' pregnancies. And I know this issue is a big issue. Right now, we are facing a challenge in our schools. We have 741 girls who are pregnant, and they have not been in school. They have dropped out of school. It's an issue which you are going to also address. And I want to tell the people of Narok County that I am here as Mama County, and these issues will be addressed. Mr. Speaker, sir, on the issue of the amendment, the bill before us here, Mr. Speaker, sir, I support this. Whenever we go to the counties, every Friday and Monday over the weekends, we get so many parents coming to us. In fact, my office is flocked, the county office, because people are waiting to see if the members can support those poor children, the needy ones, who cannot afford to go to school because they have no funds to do that. Mr. Speaker, sir, this bill is timely, and we are going to give it full support so that these monies can be dispersed and our people can be able to get bursaries. The women who are waiting for us to give them funds to be able to do issues like Ushanga, things like groups, women groups, and all that can get that money. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, I submit, I support the amendment. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.